Hey guys, my name is Zen Chupacabra, and today I'm gonna make a video on why hiccups happen, where pearls come from, and what asteroid mining is and what its purpose is gonna be. So first of all, I'm very sorry for not making videos for such a long time. And second of all, I hope everyone had a good summer vacation, and I'll try to make videos more consistently. So let's get on with the video. So, the reason that hiccups happen is you have something inside the middle of your body called a diaphragm. It's like a dome shape and it helps you get air. It helps your lungs get air. But then sometimes the air can be jerked quite really quickly, and then it'll irritate the diaphragm very much. So then it vibrates, and then that's what causes hiccups. So pearls come from clams when a foreign substance or an irritant gets inside the clam. So then nacre lines the shell. So then if it goes in between like the mantle will its first reaction will be to cover it up. So it covers up the irritant, which makes a beautiful little pearl. Asteroid mining is pretty self-explanatory considering its name. It's basically just mining on an asteroid to get stuff like gold, platinum, iron, among other things. This will be much better for the Earth as we don't have to destroy it by mining into it for all of these things. It hasn't come yet, but I will be very happy when it does, because you know me, I'm an environmentalist. So I hope you enjoyed, and you can expect more videos from me, and have fun at school, everybody. Thanks everyone.